Hey everybody, my name is Sean Seymour. I do videos about photography and about technology, and we're going to talk about Instagram stories and how you can create a link that goes from the story to, say, a YouTube video. Okay, the first thing you have to do is you have to go find the link. So we're going to go find wherever you want people to go, and we're going to create a link copying the address for that particular location. So let's go into, say, my YouTube channel. Let's pick one of my popular videos. And I want to share it. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the link. Link is copied. Now I've got to go to Instagram, and on Instagram I'm going to hit plus. If I have an image or something like that that I want to use, I can go ahead and grab that image and use it here. Or you could just simply put some text in there and then create the link. It's up to you. I'm going to go grab the image, and instead of the camera, we're going to click on the image that I have here. Then, in order to create the link, you're going to click on the little smiley face with the folded tab in the right-hand corner. And if you don't see link, you can scroll down a little bit. It's right there in the middle of the page for me. And then we are going to paste the link that we got earlier from my YouTube channel. Link, paste. If you want to see a preview of what it is that it's going to link to, you can click on See Preview. And there we go. So that's the video that I want. I'm going to hit done, and I might want to put this right here and just put some text here. And then we post. Now I have a link inside of my Instagram story that will take people to YouTube if they like what they see. So here we go. We click on my story, and right there, if I click on the link, it says visit the link. Yes, and it takes me right to my YouTube video. Hey, well, I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please hit that like button down below and also subscribe to this channel for more of that kind of content. Don't miss out on getting on the pre-release list of my new photography course that's coming out. I will send you an email when it is ready to go. And until I see you in the next video, my friend, keep it simple. Chili's in the face. Ah!